Ever wondered about the signs that your body is in a toxin overload? In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we are constantly exposed to toxins. From the air we breathe, to the food we eat, and the products we use, toxins are everywhere. Our bodies are equipped to handle a certain level of toxins, but when this threshold is crossed, it can lead to various health issues. Recognizing the signs of toxin overload can be the first step towards a healthier life. So, what are the signs that your body might be in a toxin overload? Let's break it down into a list and delve into each one. First up is fatigue. If you're constantly tired, even after a good night's sleep, toxins might be to blame. They can interfere with your body's energy production processes, leaving you feeling drained and lethargic. Next, we have digestive issues. Constipation, bloating, gas, diarrhea. These can all be signs of a toxin overload. Your digestive system is a key player in eliminating toxins, so when it's overwhelmed, these unpleasant symptoms can arise. Moving on to skin problems. Breakouts, rashes, and dull skin could indicate that your body is trying to expel toxins through your skin, the body's largest organ. Then there's weight gain. Toxins can mess with your metabolism and hormone balance, leading to unexplained weight gain. They can also make it hard for your body to burn fat efficiently. Another sign is bad breath. Persistent bad breath might mean that your liver is struggling to break down and eliminate toxins, causing them to be released through your breath. Muscle aches and pains are also a telling sign. Toxins can cause inflammation, which can lead to muscle discomfort and pain. Lastly, sensitivity to scents. If you're suddenly bothered by smells you used to tolerate, toxins could be overstimulating your nervous system. These signs are your body's way of telling you that it's time to detox. Now that we know the signs, what can we do about toxin overload? Well, the first step is to adopt a healthier diet. Opt for organic fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are not only nutrient-rich, but also help to flush out toxins from the body. Next, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Water is like a magic elixir that aids in detoxification by helping your body's natural waste removal system. Regular exercise is another essential element in combating toxin overload. It increases blood circulation and promotes the elimination of toxins through sweat. Getting enough sleep is just as important. When we sleep, our bodies go into repair and detox mode, so ensure you're getting those 7 to 9 hours of rest. Lastly, reduce your exposure to pollutants and chemicals as much as possible. This might mean choosing natural cleaning products or spending more time in nature and less time in polluted urban environments. Remember, a healthier body isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. In a nutshell, toxin overload can cause a variety of health issues. Remember, frequent fatigue, persistent skin problems, and digestive issues could be signs. Combat this with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate hydration. Your body is your most valuable asset. Take care of it and it will take care of you.